What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and in today's action-packed episode we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. This is episode number 131, and before we start I just want to take a moment to say how much I appreciate you guys. Your support in our previous videos was amazing, so yeah, thank you once again for everything you do. And with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Pull it up to the petrol pump after the payday, be like, whoa, whack! I want this fuel tank filled huge to the rim. And here's another prime example of witness protection program, or maybe you believe in ghosts. Either way, it's gonna look awesome on speed camera. Oh god damn, what the hell was that? I spilled my beer all over my truck. What the heck? There it goes again. Someone's playing with me, I'll tell you that. Bro's got a triple pole position, that's a first on this channel. Oh, just keep crashing into it. It's gonna fall down eventually. Oh, here comes the Prius about to crap into BMW's life. Oof. And now the Prius is like, who's the daddy now, huh? Oh, brake, 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 brake! Ooh, come on, dude. I don't know if you saw it, but the guy in front brake checked the ambulance. Some people really don't deserve to have a license. You little cheeky 5-0 sausage. Let me know in the comments, guys. Would they let this slide if the roles were reversed, I wonder? I don't think so, but whatever. Here's our favorite part. Come on now. Power! Oh. Oh, that guy just changed the color of his pants to brown. And here, judging by the looks of it, we have Florida men doing their whatever it is. But good luck to them. We are moving on. Oh no, 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 you're not gonna win that one. Oof. Oof. Merc, that was the wrong move. And you be the judge, guys, but that looked to me like it was on purpose, you know? I'm not sure, but that was a little bit suspicious. Definitely. Hey, yo, use your mirrors, you stupid. Like, for example, here, that was pure stupidity. With no bad intent, you know? And that makes a big difference. So, let's see here. Place your bets, guys, here. Who's gonna give up first? The Merc, the lights, or the guy in front? I think the lights are gonna go, we're not doing this anymore. And by the way, this is a little bit douchey, you know, because if they're doing the speed limit, then they don't have to move out of his way. Simple. And because of this life hack, the bus companies are afraid of this guy. You know those ads when they clickbait you like that? Oh, hello there, Range Rover. We are terribly sorry for not moving for your royal ass. The entitlement is real around here. Definitely. And I don't know from where that entitlement comes, you know? Those people really think they're that in power! Oh, hold it, bro, hold it. Oh, come on, man. He couldn't handle the speed and power. It's definitely not for everybody. Oh, that was an RS6, Audi RS6, nice. I love that car. Oh, is that a truck carrying a car? Towing a trailer with a van? Towing a... To be continued. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. 5 business days later. Towing a truck with another car on it, and let's see if that truck is towing some other truck maybe, or another trailer. Oh, it's another trailer with another car on it, and that's an infinite loop. Some say it's still going. Hey, yo, psst, don't let him know, I stole his bumper. That car looks Mexican now. It only needs a sombrero and that's it. On to the next one, let's see here. Hey yo, are they giving away for free something out there? Because you can't block the intersection if you cannot go through it. It's simple laws and logic and common sense, but some people are really struggling with it. And our dashcam guy did something wrong, but I don't blame him. What is going on here? Whoa, 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 man, what the hell is that? Why did they stop? It's only the police car coming through, nothing major, just move over a bit and that's it. But people overreact sometimes, I think. Beamer, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. You had to do it. You just had to. And I don't know if you noticed, but our dashcam guy tried to pit him. Maybe I'm wrong, but I legit think he really tried to, but whatever, we are moving on. Let's see here. Oh, oof. That Dodge Dart hit the target, I think. Anyways, moving on. If it looks stupid, but it works, it ain't stupid. Simple as that. POV, you had a few beers last night. I only wonder how he or she got out. You're like, alright, this looks like a perfect parking spot for me. If I fits, I parks. Oh, that was painful. Choo-choo, mother... That truck is overdosed with speed and power. That was way too much. You sneaking out of the house. Easy, quiet, easy, we're almost out. Almost. The dad. Whack! Where do you think you're going, boy? Looks like someone is about to go buy some milk from the store down the street, and he'll be back in no time. At least that's what he said.
Wow.
Oh my god, look at that dude. I only hope he's not gonna lose anything on his way. On to the next one. I'm going to crash into you, or am I? Oh, that was close, that was close. Those are the first symptoms of a powerberry on his way to become a dingleberry, but he's not there yet. And welcome back to the Winter Olympics once again. And he's competing in a category, now you see me, now I'm in the ditch, and that's a gold medal right there. Look at him. Beautiful work. And meanwhile in fake Aston Martin world, what the hell happened to that guy? He took the definition of drive it like you stole it way too far. Whoa, 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 stop, dude. In today's episode of Mad Truckers. That little bridge looks like he's been there before, you know. This is not the first time. I don't have friends, I've got family. That dude was recreating the Fast and Furious scene. Ooh, Mercedes, what the hell was that all about? Unbelievable. Hey, yo, beep beep, watch out, man. Oh, that's not gone well. Oh. Me. He's sleeping. Rest your axles and oil, buddy. Moving on to the next one. Hey, dude, but 2 drops of pee came out right there. Literally. Oh, there's more. Great news. It is actually a great news because he's still here. That was way too close. Oh, howdy, 5-0. Whoa, 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 man. The Bumblebee hasn't learned the traffic rules yet. Oh, we need some rock music here. Look at that guy go. Wee power! Which can only go well, of course, in these conditions. There we go, there we go. He pulled the Houdini. Now you see me, now you don't. And meanwhile, in Audi's world, the Audi always has the right of way, as you can see. Uh-oh, trouble coming. Or maybe not. Look at this dude. Even your car doesn't like you. He's leaving. He can't stand you anymore. You're a douche and a dingleberry. Look at those small steps. Look at him run. He almost made his dad mad. He almost crashed his Audi. I don't know why some people act tough and we all know they're not gonna do anything, you know? It's pathetic. Good driving, man. Keep up the good work. Oh, you're running away now. But with that rotary engine of yours, you're not gonna get far, I think.
Well, even if you have an all-powerful God at your side who watches over you... Are you doing?
What do you mean what I'm doing? What are you doing? We are now in UK, right? That guy's confused. Or maybe his GPS told him to do that. I'm joking and all, but you know that kind of people who would drive into the ocean if the GPS said so. That's a real possibility, so who knows? Let's see here. Whoa, Tokyo Drift kicked in, yo. Hold it, hold it. Come on now, wake up your inner Ken Block and save the day. Yes, he did it. That was actually a pretty good save. Nice. Let's see, what do we have? Whoa, 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 whoa. That is why I don't like being around trucks. Because this stuff happens all of the time. A concerning amount of people are not securing their loads properly. They're like, just throw it in the back and we'll go. And I hate it, but it is what it is. And on that amazing 180, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, of course, and leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, love you all, ciao ciao.